All right, guys, day 5, I believe. We're doing the 4 Patriots meals. This is going to be the America's finest mac and cheese with 3 2/3 cups of water. Open palate, stir in the boiling water, cook over medium heat for 20 minutes, stir frequently. Remove from heat, let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes and to thicken. So we'll try it out and let you know. All right, guys, gals, everybody, this is how the mac and cheese turned out. It actually looks really good. You can see it's still like lava. It's like mac and cheese. The cheese flavor is not real strong. If you had a little extra cheese you wanted to throw in, it wouldn't hurt. But other than that, the noodles and everything are really good, and seems to taste pretty well. Can you try it? Patty's over making homemade jerky. Don't have a video on that one yet. I would have blown on that, but
Yep.
use a little more cheese flavor, but
Tastes like Kraft,
tastes like Kraft, yeah.
pretty much.
All right, guys, we'll see you back on the next one. Be sure you like, subscribe, and share. Send it to your friends.